Thanks for tuning in. We've got another watch here, and this is the next leg on my journey to find the ultimate Aqua Terra without buying an actual Omega or supporting the counterfeit clone market. So I've got already got a number of watches from Philida and Pagani Design and Corju, and I've had a Bernie. This one is a new release from Rollstimi, which is a sub-brand of Pagani Design, so it comes out of the same factory, and I think what they're doing is they're setting themselves up as to this be their mid-tier brand, where Benyar is their first tier, and then Pagani Design is their top tier. So we've got a nice slip case, we've got a nice box, I gotta say. So this one, when I saw it, I went, oh, I've got to get that. So we have foam. We've got a branded polishing cloth. That's quite nice. And there's 3 colorways for this one, but I chose the turquoise because it spoke to me. So, yep, very, very nice. Once I take the stickers off, we'll do another deep dive and see how this measures up compared to the others, but it has a lot of the styling cues that I already like. Now they call it a turquoise, but it looks more like a green. That's okay. I'm not going to be picky because I really, really like the way it looks already. So stay tuned. Welcome back. So this is what I had, and as a few weeks after I got this, I didn't lose sleep on it, but I was lying in bed awake at night thinking, you know, it was labeled turquoise, and I chose turquoise, and they said they sent turquoise, but this isn't turquoise. And I looked at other listings on AliExpress, and I looked at the Rollstimi SKUs, and it became very, very clear that they sent me green by mistake or on purpose. Maybe they didn't have turquoise and they just put the green in the turquoise box. So I got I'll put a screen cap of my order page. I ordered from a different seller, and I ordered what they call the gray blue, which is, I guess, what the other store called turquoise, and it arrived with, this was long before the Canada Post was on strike, but it arrived with customs, and I kind of grumbled a bit, but I thought, well, you know, the number of watches I've gotten without being flagged for customs, I shouldn't complain. And the amount is relatively small, but still, you know, you don't really like seeing that. So I put it on my desk, and I thought, well, I'll just leave the unboxing until I actually decide to shoot this video. So here we are. You can join my journey for the unboxing, and it shouldn't be a surprise, or maybe it will be a surprise. Hopefully it's the color that I actually want. Otherwise I'll have 2 greens, and one of them will be for sale, because I really like this. Even though it's not my preferred color, I still like it. Okay, so we have here, see, it says gray blue. So fingers crossed, it's gray blue. Okay. So same box as the other one, of course. Why should it be any different? Fingers crossed, drum roll. Oh, yeah. Yeah, see, look how gorgeous that is. That is absolutely beautiful. Oh, wow. I've actually got, I've got goosebumps, and I've got the hair standing on the back of my head. Yeah, see, that's, oh my God. I'm going to be wearing this for a week, of course. So let's go over some stats. Well, with this one, I took off, was it 3 links? it was 2 links. So I took off 2 links to fit my 7-inch wrist, and it fits nicely. I've still got a little bit of slack. It sits comfortably even on my knuckle. So vital stats, it's an RT 7912. It uses an NH35 movement. It's a 316L stainless steel everywhere. It's got a sapphire crystal with AR coating. The bezel is polished, but everything else is brushed. And it's brushed to a very, very good standard. The arrow hands, there's lume on the indices and the arrow hands, and it's BGW9. It's got a screw down crown, and it is signed. And exhibition screw down, actually sorry, not exhibition, it's a screw down case back that is solid. And the dimensions, there's a 20 millimeter lug width, and let's see, where did my calipers go? Well, instead of measuring it with my calipers, I'll just read off of the thing. It's a 39 millimeter case diameter. It's got a 47 millimeter lug to lug. The case thickness is 13 millimeters, including the glass, 20 millimeter lug width, and 138 grams of weight. And I'll use my own watch here with my glove. Okay, so got twin pushers on the clasp. It's milled. The wing is milled, and there's a micro adjust. And the bracelet uses, I'm just going to double check here on where's my other box? The bracelet uses screws. So we're good with, are they screws or are they push pins? I think they're push pins. Yeah, they're push pins. So not a, again, it's the lower cost, lower tier to, I shouldn't say tier because the finishing quality is very good. Lower cost than Pagani design. So at least you do get the sapphire crystal, solid case back, decent water resistance. I'll do a lume shot just to show you on this guy. And that's pretty much it. If this was a 40 mil, I wish it was a 40 mil, but I'm not missing that extra millimeter. But the fit, again, like even the dial has a sunburst effect to it, and it's just beautiful. I'm going to take the plastics off and resize this and wear that this week. And you might see this on the chopping block. You might not. I don't know. So there you have it. Thanks for tuning in. And I didn't do any strap swaps with this because I didn't feel the need, because this was just, I think it's perfect the way it is. And I think that's a statement in itself, or a testament in itself to how satisfying this watch is. No need to change anything. Very comfortable. So there you go. Thanks again for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. So this time lapse is a little over 5 minutes, and it actually does pretty well initially, but you'll notice the hour hand starts to fade really quickly. The indices are doing very, very well, but then the minute hands and the second hand starts to fade at almost exactly the same rate. And then even after 5 minutes, it's still doing okay, better than any Pagani design.